Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 4th of January, 2023, and we're going to talk about Tesla today. And I didn't expect this to happen so fast. Like, I knew that Tesla was weak. We've been anticipating that the long-term view in Tesla is to the downside. But when I did my video on December the 31st, just a couple of days ago, I was looking for the market to try to get a relief move higher. Like, I was looking for the market to go up in Tesla, and you guys can see right now that it didn't pan out. Not yet, at least. Maybe I should have extended my support area in Tesla rather than 112. Maybe I should have brought it all the way down here to 108, possibly. But for the market in Tesla to fall 12.25% to end the day yesterday tells us automatically that the market is definitely weak in Tesla. Like, those institutional traders who've been holding Tesla, who's been accumulating Tesla over the last couple of years, they are actually finally selling and getting out their positions. Like, you're going to begin to see some SEC filings of some massive conglomerates, institutions showing you that they've been selling Tesla. Now, that's after the fact. Once those reports come out, once those filings are revealed, they've already taken their profit. While the majority of the market is still anticipating that since price has dipped in Tesla, that these are buying opportunities, and the whole time they've been selling. So yeah, the market is still weak in Tesla. Like, I'm still holding down to the price generally going down in the long term. I just go back and see my prior video on the 31st of December. But as of right now, I didn't expect it to happen so fast, especially for a market like Tesla, who usually have some resistance to price going down, will go down 12.25%. Now, you guys may be wondering, well, it's because people have been, readjusting their portfolios, or we're beginning out on a new year. So a lot of traders are trying to get situated on how they're trying to position their positions in the stock market. I get it. Maybe Elon is still selling his stock when he told everybody that he's not selling anymore. Don't pay attention to what people say. Pay attention to what they do, right? Because obviously somebody into the market in Tesla was doing some selling. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if the market in Tesla began to go back up though, right? Like I said, it's the beginning of the new year, trading year, first day. People, who knows the reason why? Like, I don't try to conjecture or guess why people do what they do. I just simply look at the actions. I look at the reactions of the price. So obviously somebody did some adjusting, somebody did some selling, but it doesn't mean that Tesla is going to fall again today. Let's see how we ended on the trading day yesterday. So we're going to look at this on a 1 hour chart. And you guys can see right here, the market immediately started out down at $118, and it's been going down ever since the rest of the day. We haven't even seen the market in Tesla really grab any areas of support just yet. That's on the 1 hour chart. You can see this even on a 7 minutes chart as to how weak the market really was in Tesla. Look at this. Now, in pre-market, yeah, the market tried to lift back up. But once the market opened for trading, that is where the massive drop occurred. And as the trading day went on, we never saw really increase in volume to substantiate that buyers came in and felt that the market was attractive to buy. So yeah, we're still weak in Tesla. So what I'm going to do is that, since that caught me off guard, right? I wasn't expecting the market in Tesla to fall as fast as it did. I'm going to go ahead and take this one out as a loss. So we were down the last trade of yesterday. You guys can see it's down 12%. I'm just going to leave it alone, right? I want us to gauge how price, or I want us to see whether or not buyers are going to come into the market. Okay, I want us to see that, because seeing how price fell 12.25% yesterday, we need to contemplate and think about, obviously something is broken, right? The buyers did not even show up into the market in Tesla yesterday, even amidst all of the selling that occurred, even amidst that massive drop on the intraday basis. We didn't even see nobody coming and trying to buy the stock. We saw the price close towards the low of the price bar. So now we need to focus on, like I said, this area right here, I've been saying this on my last couple of videos, in Tesla, this is where our concern needs to be at now. Okay. Now, yes, I suspect that the market's going to try to hold up here, but I'm looking around $100, maybe around like 97 initially. Like this area is where I'm looking for buyers to come into the market now in Tesla. Okay. So let me show you all this on the 2-day chart, because we have 8 hours and 56 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar. And this just simply tells me that we did get the follow through of the buyers, right? So when we saw this 2-day price bar form here, we should have seen the price continue to go down in Tesla, but instead the result was price coming back up, right? And then we saw December the 30th, this 2-day price bar. This was the beginning stages of the buyers really trying to come back in and move the market higher in Tesla. So for us to see this occur, the current 2-day price bar down, it tells us that they failed. The buyers failed. It is what it is. If they don't show up, there's nothing that we can do. We can only simply do some probable basis as to where prices are going to move. So in the next 8 hours and 55 minutes, if we see the price in Tesla close below, on the low of this current 2-day price bar, we will still have to anticipate the weakness in the market in Tesla. Here it is on the 3-day. 5-day chart. Okay. We still have to anticipate some weakness into the market. I wonder why the market is not showing us on TradingView the price bar. It's giving us the volume, but it's not giving us the price bar. That's odd. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it alone right now. But again, I'm still looking for the market in Tesla to go down. I'm just waiting to see, are we going to get a relief? Like this stock has gotten beaten, which we shouldn't be surprised neither, because a lot of the stocks have gotten beaten. Tesla was just being real hard-headed and not breaking the trend. And now it's finally joining right along with everyone else. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to give the market a couple more days, like maybe Friday to the end of Friday, to see what occurs into the market. But again, it's weak. It is what it is. We need to be prepared for it, and we need to look for a price, as I've been saying, to come all the way down to test these gaps. All right, so that is it. I'm just going to leave it alone as of this particular moment. One thing I'm going to do, I am going to show you how weak the market is in Tesla. Okay, we're going to continue to follow this massive downtrend that is currently ongoing in Tesla. Like, look how massive that downturn is right now. Nobody's in the market right now trying to buy Tesla. Everyone who were thinking that Tesla was a buy here and then here immediately saw their portfolios go down. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts though. Like I said, I'm gonna give it a couple more days to see how the market reacts over the next days or so, to see if we get buyers come back in. If we do, we may have an opportunity to do a short-term price prediction to look for Tesla to move higher. But until that time, like I said, I'm looking for the market to come down to 100, maybe like $97 to $90. Okay, so I think we'll have time to go ahead and put one of those predictions on in the next day or so. We'll see. But give me your thoughts. Hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you maintain the profitability. If you guys want more of the simplistic understanding as to how the market works, go ahead and join me. And you join me by hitting the like button and also subscribing, tap that bell notification as well, because I don't want you all to miss out on my content, because this is definitely giving you all a heads up. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts.